Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula. If you have never seen my face before, nice to virtually meet you. I was about to say virtually email. But today I'm actually going to be doing my second Stitch Fix unboxing, and I have a link below to the first one if you're curious and you want to see my experience. But I have learned a ton from the first one. I feel like I have taken all of your tips, tricks, and your comments, and I have put them all together, and I really think that this time it's going to go much smoother than the first time. So I am excited to see what I got in the box. I haven't seen anything yet, so you're going to get my first initial reactions, just like the first video, a very brutally honest try-on review. If it's your first time hearing about Stitch Fix and you're super confused about what I'm talking about, it's basically an online personal styling service that you can sign up for. They assign you to your own personal stylist, and they give you questions and quizzes so they can kind of figure out your style, and then they send you a box like this one, and it's full of clothing items, sometimes jewelry, sometimes shoes. So it's basically going to be an entire outfit for you, and then you can choose what you want to keep, if you want to keep the whole thing, or if you don't like any of the pieces, then you can send everything back. So if you're curious about Stitch Fix and you want to try it, I actually have included a link below for you so you can get $25 off your first box, and that actually works out perfectly because the box itself, when you get it sent to you, they charge you a $20 styling fee, and the $25 would cover the $20 styling fee, plus you would get an additional $5 off of the item that you purchase. And when you keep something from the box, then they deduct that $20. So let's say that you got a shirt and the shirt is $30, then you would only be paying an additional $10, but actually $5 because you have $25 off. So I highly recommend that, so check that out if you're interested. Let's go ahead and get started with what I have in my box. The reason that I'm super excited for this box is because one mistake that I made the first time that I did not make this time around was that I did not order any extras. So when you make your purchase for the Stitch Fix box to come in, then you get the option to choose any extras, which includes like intimates, like socks. They even have masks, and they have these really cute Free People camis, and I just know if there's anything out of this box that I like, I know I'm gonna like that because I know how that brand fits. Like, I've tried on their clothes before, I know the sizing works for me, so that's why I'm super excited. I just opened the box and I can already see it in here. This is kind of what it looks like if you've never seen the box before. They have all of your clothing items, and then this is my extra. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that open. I don't care about the packaging this time around. I'm just gonna rip everything open, and it's literally so cute. This is the Free People Solid Ribbed Cami if you're interested, and I will show you what it looks like on in just a second after I open everything. The first item here, ooh, this is super soft. It's this like tank top. I don't know if I love the floral pattern, but we'll see how it fits. Next, oh, I actually have never received jewelry from them before, so this is gonna be my first time. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a little dingly necklace. I'm gonna have to untangle this. It is a really cute like gold necklace with this long bead, like straight little bead thing. I don't know how to describe it, but that looks cute. Then next is this hoodie, and I forgot to mention that after my first fix that I received last time, they gave me like a lot of workwear. So for this one, I was really specific that I wanted loungy, like really casual pieces, because that's pretty much all I'm wearing. So this is like a little cropped hoodie. It has a hood in the back, and then it has this little side zipper here. Oh, I thought this was the last one, but it's not. So now we have a pair of leggings, and they just are just regular, like a heather gray color, and they do have side pockets, so we'll see how that goes. I think that these will probably be good. And lastly, it's this super cutie little Free People skirt, and Free People is one of my favorite brands, so I'm really excited to see how this fits. And I honestly don't really have a lot of skirts, so this will be something nice to add to my closet. First on the list is this Free People tank top, and overall, like 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this. Are we surprised? No, we're not surprised. So honestly, it's so comfy. It's gonna be so nice to wear, just like to lounge around in or to go out in. It's the perfect length. It's not super cropped, but it's not completely long. And this works out perfectly for me since I'm so petite. Like usually, sometimes regular length tops are just way too long on me, especially like these kind of stretchy ones. So this is amazing. Love it, keeping it. So there goes my $20 styling fee. So next on the list is this sleeveless top, and honestly, even though it's incredibly soft and normally that would get me, it just really is not my style. I don't really love the flower print or like the style of the shirt. I think I should make a note that I just don't like sleeveless tops because I feel like they keep getting me sleeveless and I never wear sleeveless shirts. So this one's probably gonna be a no for me, but that's okay. We have 1 out of 6 so far, and I think that's pretty good. It's better than last time, so let's see the next thing. For the jacket, I like that it's cropped. The side zipper is kind of like reminds me kind of like a moto jacket vibe, but I don't know if I love the side zipper because I don't think I would ever wear it all the way zipped up, and I don't know if it looks kind of funny on me. I do like that it's cropped, and I feel like it is a nicer jacket to go out in, like not specifically like for working out in, but like a loungy outfit to leave the house. The jacket is interesting. It's definitely not something that I would normally pick out, but I'm open to it. And last but not least, we have the necklace and the skirt. And the skirt is a super stretchy denim material. It's not like a blue color, it's more of like a grayish, like a washed gray color, but it's super comfy. I think this is gonna be cute for fall. In here, it kind of tells you like how I can style it. So they recommend to have it with like boots or like a leopard shirt, which I actually have in my closet. I paired it with this little snakeskin shirt that I already had, and I feel like this would be cute. The necklace I think is really cute. I think the length is cute. This is as short as it goes, I believe. And the only thing is with layered necklaces like this, I feel like sometimes they get tangled, so that's the only downside, but I think the necklace is really cute too. But I think I really like the skirt. I think I'm gonna keep it. So that's pretty much it on my box, and I actually think that my stylist did an excellent job. I'm gonna give her 2 thumbs up. I feel like she totally listened to what I was telling her. I really wanted activewear. I really wanted casual pieces to go into fall, and I told her that I wanted neutrals and she sent me the floral one, so that's the only thing that, questionable, but overall, I really liked all the items that I received in the box. I feel like they were so much more my style than my previous box, and I'm definitely gonna continue to use Stitch Fix because, like I mentioned, right now it's just not the best experience to go shopping. So for me, this is so much more fun and exciting waiting to receive the box and seeing what I get inside. And I also keep looking through their page to see if I like any of the items that they have as well. But if you are a Stitch Fix fan, please let me know below what you guys think, if you have any other recommendations. And let me know also what you liked for my box. Like, what were your favorite items? I'm having a hard time trying to pick. I don't want to get everything just because it's a lot, but I'm having a hard time kind of debating on what I like the best. So let me know what you think. But I highly recommend Stitch Fix. It's definitely one of my new favorite things. So again, I have the $25 off for you if you are interested in signing up for Stitch Fix for the very first time. That way you can get the free Stitch Fix box and you don't have to pay for the styling fee. But thank you guys so much for watching. It does mean a ton. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And I do make videos every single week, so make sure that you do hit the subscribe button. But again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!